So when you use adrak to put in tea, you crush it or kiss it or cuss it. How you say it depends upon which part of the country you're from. Adrak can be slivered to garnish chana with puri. Adrak can be ground for chicken and curry. Adrak is good for a throat that is sore. Adrak is added to dishes for flavor. Have you thought of adrak in a sweet, where adrak mithai does meet? Take a adrak that is 1 finger long and 2 fingers thick. Skin it, hack it, toss it in mixer with milk. 3 tablespoons grind to a very fine paste. Measure the mixture. Take 3 times that sugar. Remember, adrak has very strong taste. Cook the whole thing until it well cooks. When it hardens and changes its looks, grease a pan and upon it spread the above. Sprinkle elaichi nutmeg powder all over with love. When cool but still warm, in rhomboids cut it. It's good for digestion, say people who've tried it. Adrak is good for the cough and the cold. Adrak is good for the young and the old. Adrak adds zing to many a thing. The best, if you ask me, and I can't tell you why, on a heavy monsoon day is adrak in your chai.